Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download your image or your design from Canva in an SVG format. So SVG is particularly useful for graphic design, and also sometimes it's used on the website. And one characteristic of this format is that you can zoom into whatever level that you like, and it's not going to be pixelated. It's going to stay sharp and everything will be clear. There's no blurry side effect. Everything will just look as good as when you're using a normal zoom level. So in order to do that, you can click on the share button and click download, and make sure to select SVG as the file type, and then you can click download. So this is an image. You can actually use a shape, or you can also insert a chart. That would work even better because SVG is actually not for images, but yeah, that's not going to stop you from using it to an image. You can absolutely use SVG to store an image file like this one. So just to give you a comparison, I have downloaded the file. Okay, I'm going to open it here on my Chrome browser. This is an SVG image, and this is a normal PNG file. PNG is very good. It's very sharp, but it's not gonna be as good as SVG. So this is at around 300%. This is around 300% of zoom level, and let's do the same for this image. So this is also 300%, and just look at the reflection on the eyes. You can see that it's way better. SVG, PNG, SVG, PNG, SVG, PNG. So it's just way better. It's a lot sharper. This is PNG, it's so blurry and it doesn't look good, but SVG, everything still look as sharp as when you're using the 100% of the normal zoom level. So that's exactly how you can get an SVG file on Canva.